Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into top-rated products so you can make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best trumpet brass lacquer beginner kit on the market, the Eastar Pocket Trumpet ETR 330. At first glance, you'll be struck by how compact and stunning this instrument is. The Eastar ETR 330 boasts a brilliant gold lacquer finish that shimmers under the light. It doesn't just look good, it performs even better. Let's talk sound. Despite its small size, the Eastar Pocket Trumpet delivers a pure, bright, and powerful timbre. The sound quality is full-bodied, with a resonance that rivals even full-sized trumpets. Whether you're practicing at home, joining a small ensemble, or performing solo, this trumpet has the tone and power to make you stand out. What makes this trumpet so reliable is its smart design. It features an 11.6mm or 0.457-inch bore and a 101mm bell, giving it a smooth, rich projection. The valve system is responsive and durable, minimizing any chances of getting stuck mid-performance. The inlaid buttons have a white faux mother-of-pearl finish, adding not just a touch of elegance but real comfort during play. This is the perfect kit for beginners and students. It's made of high-quality brass and cupronickel, offering durability and precise valve action. The airtight link between pipes makes airflow smooth, allowing for high playability and easy note control. Now, let's talk about the complete package you get. Inside the box, you'll find the Eastar ETR 330 trumpet itself, a 7C mouthpiece, a full cleaning suit to keep your instrument performance ready, a soft cleaning cloth, white gloves for maintenance and performance, and a solid hard case for safe and stylish transport. Everything you need to start playing and keep playing is included in the box. No need to shop for extra accessories. And here's the kicker. It also comes with a 12-month product warranty, supported by Eastar's responsive customer service team. This trumpet is not just a musical instrument. It's a beautifully engineered and reliable companion for your musical journey. Whether you're a beginner or a traveler looking for a portable yet powerful trumpet, the Eastar ETR 330 hits all the right notes. If you're ready to start playing or gifting someone their first trumpet, this is one of the best beginner kits out there in terms of both quality and value. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want us to cover another instrument or product category, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep playing.